In a land of profound diversity and rich history, water, the source of life, narrates a story of contrast. India, with its vast population, faces a significant challenge, ensuring safe and healthy water for all. India grapples with a water quality crisis. Reports indicate that about 70% of its water is contaminated, placing India amongst the lowest in global water quality rankings. The consequences? A staggering impact on public health. Waterborne diseases, often lethal, are rampant, with children being the most vulnerable. Enter alkaline water, a beacon of hope. With a higher pH level than regular water, alkaline water offers potential health benefits, from improved hydration to detoxification. Parshiv Alkaline Water Purifiers emerge as the solution. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, they not only purify but elevate water quality, ensuring every sip contributes to well-being. What sets Parshiv apart? Its ability to tackle high TDS levels, the incorporation of RO, UV, and UF technologies, and the infusion of water with essential minerals. But Parshiv promises more. It's about a commitment to health, to transforming the water crisis into an opportunity for wellness. Parshiv isn't just a product, it's a protector of health, a champion of purity. In a nation thirsty for change, Parshiv Alkaline Water Purifiers aren't just an option, they're a necessity. Join the movement towards a healthier, hydrated, and happier India. Parshiv, where purity meets technology.